Alright, so this is a follow-up video to make the right side of the rim light. You could also call it like a right side rim light fill, you could call it, because it kind of fills in the right side of the rim lighting. So what I do is I select this one, the left one, right, how I put the angle over here. I'm going to do Control D as in David to make a copy. Immediately I'm going to name it right rim light, like that. Then what I'm going to do is, let me see here, go into the channel box. I'm going to just pull it so you can see it here, like that. And then I'm going to do rotate Y, make it back to 0, right, in the channel box. Wait a minute, because I have it facing this way. Okay, if I undo that, right, you know what? I'm gonna delete this. Too much of a headache. So I'm gonna grab this rim light, Control D, and I'm gonna name it right, and then rim light. So right rim light. And then I'm gonna scoot it over. It's just easier to make a copy off of this. Then press D as in David to get the live pivot. D as in David. Carefully chuck it over, just kind of eyeball it. And then press E as in Edward to get out of the live pivot mode. E as in Edward. Then I'm gonna turn it, right? So this one was 120. So this should be 120? Yeah, 120. So this was a negative 120. This is positive 120. So the opposite. Then I'm gonna kind of put this a little bit closer. There. So that's all I did. Right. Copied off of this, which is this. But I can't forget that this left one was actually exposure at 11. This one is still at 9, which was what this was. This was the rim light, regular one. The first one was at 9. I need to also change this to 11. Everything else is the same, meaning roundness at 1, soft edge as 1, samples at 2, transmission at 1 to get more stronger kicks on the reflections and refractions if you have glass and metal materials. Yeah, so all of that is set up. Then let me pull up the render view, clapper with the eyeball. Here we have this and this. See that right there? And this tells me left rim light at 11. See how useful that is. Now I'm gonna do a render, Control U. Okay, we're starting to see something here. See? So let me hit the 1-to-1. Middle mouse to kind of pan it. Middle mouse. Before. After. See? This is what I mean by. See how freaking nice that is? Before. After. And the lighting of the floor starts to kind of light up too. See? Some of that soft fill lighting, softening up the core contact shadows. So that's good. Before, after. See over here too? Before, after. Super subtle. Not subtle, but it's enough where it's not like nasty looking, blown out. So, this one, I need to save this. Click here. See? I select it. I type in here 3 rim lights, and then left, middle, and right. Right rim light, exposure at 11, left rim light exposure at 11, middle rim light exposure at 9. There you go. See how it all adds up. So that's how you do the, basically, you know, the rim lighting, and it also acts as a bit of a fill light. And then after that, what's next is adding a key light. So let me see, because we have another light source here that could act as a fill light, right? So if I look up, yeah, see, there it is. And if you don't see it like this, make sure you go shading to turn on backface culling. That allows you to see through it. All right. What I'll do, see how much time I have. Let me see if I make, say, Arnold lights, area light, name it key light. Press R, make it bigger, maybe like half the size of these. That way it's stronger. Right. And then maybe I'll turn it like this. And then press E and just carefully grab this section like so. And then maybe carefully turn it down. And then look at this area, see that everything else is clean. I mean, like here, this one and this one has values, which is fine. And then I want to go to the attribute editor. Remember, exposure, let's start off at, let's give it a 9. And then roundness at 1, soft edge at 1, samples at 2, transmission at 1, and that's it. Don't mess with any other things, you'll be fine for the most part. So let me press R. If I jack this like that to kind of see where it's aiming. Alright, let's see what it does. So I pull up like this. I have my last initial save. So Control U to test out the key light. Kind of fills up here. I think it could be stronger. And I also wanna kind of do this and then press E and just kind of rotate it like that to kind of change the angle. Then I'm gonna make this 11. Control U. Should I save this? No, I'm not gonna bother saving that. Control U. Alright, so there you go. There's my key light. See? Before, after. I'm gonna save this. Click that. That's my save. Type in here 3 rim lights, like say left, middle, right side, and then 1 key light at 11 exposure. So doing these little things, they truly do help. Oh, this is weak. And then this one, a little bit stronger at 9. This one was the little left fill light. This one is the right fill light. This one is the key light. Yeah. So I'm gonna just kind of leave it like that. next video I'll probably go over more about shaders, right, to make this boost this up, and then a couple other things like glass presets, metal presets. Yeah, so not too bad, right? All right, I'm gonna end it like that. Bye bye.